Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 best tyres for your car. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To see the price and find out more information about these tyres, you can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's the Hankook Optimo H724. The Hankook Optimo H724 is the perfect all-season tyre and won't burn a hole in your pocket. The tyre is mostly designed for mid-sized sedans, small crossovers and compact cars. It's the perfect option because it's really comfortable to drive with and offers superb dry performance at a bargain price. The tread is designed with an advanced pitch design technology which arranges the sipes of the rubber to minimise fluctuations of the tyre for different road surfaces. It's constructed from a high hardness bead filler to improve endurance. In dry situations, there's absolutely nothing bad to report about the Optimo H724. Assuming that you're using a smaller car, the tyres will never fight for grip and traction in aggressive situations. The tyres fared well in freeway speeds and provide comfort and high-speed stability. The tyres are equally impressive on wet roads. Sometimes the traction will go a little down on wet patches while driving aggressively. However, it's also not a major issue if attention is being paid. The comfortability levels have not decreased on wet roads whatsoever. In light snow, the tyres have no problem with providing traction and grip. While not being the adequate snow tyres, they should ride smoothly with light snow. But it would require more attention, obviously, when driving in icy roads. The tyres are extremely comfortable in almost every surface you'll face on the road, delivering perfect handling. On the highway speeds, they were impressive even with aggressive driving. Noise levels were near to none in the city. While not being as silent on higher than average speeds, they were adequately silent in those situations as well. Hankook gives 70,000 miles or 5 years tread guarantee for the tyre. This means that the manufacturer trusts its product. It's been reported from the buyers that the tyre has a long tread wear, making it a great touring tyre. It's very hard not to consider when you're shopping for a budget all-season tyre that's equally well-performing. In fact, it should be priced higher based on its performance. Hankook continues to deliver high-quality products, but this one is a bargain. At number 4, it's the Michelin Defender LTX MS. When it comes to light trucks and SUVs, Michelin has dominated the market, with its growing customer base that's very loyal to the brand. Michelin likewise delivers to their customers the best tyres for their cars. Defender LTX MS, designed to be used in light trucks and SUVs and providing safety and efficient driving while also being quiet enough to not bother the passengers in all sorts of surfaces. Michelin Defender LTX MS was tested in highways, freeways, in the city, mountain roads and technical and pretty difficult off-road patches. It's passed all the tests with high marks. It blasted through every obstacle in its way, such as rocks, roots and logs and surfaces like sand, gravel and mud. Nothing proved to be difficult for Michelin Defender LTX MS. Michelin has developed the EverTread technology for its Defender series. Basically explained, the EverTread technology is designed for the tyre to have better endurance on tougher conditions, delivering suitable traction and grip throughout the year while also improving fuel efficiency. Despite the tyre having a harder surface than a traditional off-road tyre, the tyre has provided more than enough traction to drive through rocks and logs. However, it's designed for mainly street use. It will not decrease your confidence levels even in off-road conditions. On the asphalt, the Defender LTX MS is delightfully quiet and really stable, providing an outstanding riding quality. While it's not the perfect winter tyre, it will fare well in light snow. The tyres will last for a long time and average between 50,000 and 60,000 kilometers, despite being paired with high-torque machines which tend to destroy tyres. The reason behind this is the EverTread technology again, as well as the more durable sidewalls of the tyres. This was achieved without the compromise of the ride quality and quietness. Due to the improved traction, it was able to stop a vehicle faster than its predecessor by 10 meters from a speed of 80 kilometers an hour. The tyre has a warrant of 6 years or 80,000 kilometers, showing that Michelin is confident in its tyres. This is due to the max tough construction of the tyre, which is more durable and longer lasting. One of the best tyres for heavier vehicles, without a doubt. At number 3, it's the Hankook Ventus ST-RH06. The Hankook Ventus ST-RH06 is primarily designed to provide maximum traction and grip in most of the road surfaces for high-performance SUVs and light trucks. The model is built with a high-performing tread pattern that's well built with cutting-edge tyre technology, making it better against its competition. Designed with all-season silica-intensified tread compound and V-shaped tread pattern, provides better high-speed cornering and better grip on dry conditions. It has great stability and superb steering response due to its jointless bead wire and high-bead filler throughout various speed ranges. And a lot of customer feedback has come in the feel area of the tyre, testifying the all-round solidity of the tyre. With this tyre, Hankook improves noise reduction that's an issue with most tyres. Hankook is the first tyre manufacturer to use the dual-depth pitch theory on a passenger vehicle tyre. Dual-depth pitch theory is basically used to extraordinarily decrease tread noise with multiple sub-pitch technology, translating in minimal road noise on this tyre, an area which the competition still struggles to deal with. Insides of the tyres are reinforced with two high-tensile steel belts with a jointless dual cap ply, meaning that the tyre is stronger and more durable. This also means even more tread wear and enhances ride quality. Hankook's Ventus STRH06 also protects your rims from accidental curb damage with the added rim protector. Sizes are available from 17 to 26 inches with a V or W speed rating. The Hankook Ventus STRH06 gives excellent value and performance for money, making it a really good investment. This tyre really shines in dry asphalt with increased grip and traction. The cornering power of the tyre is also extraordinary. Steering is pretty sharp and responsive compared to its other peers in its class. The tread life is above average, adding furthermore to its value. On wet asphalt it's good, but could be better. Also, it's not really an adequate winter tyre. Buyers have stated that they would like the ride softened a little, but also stated that they're very pleased with the tyre. Aside from many issues, Hankook Ventus STRH06 is an excellent tyre for high-performance SUVs that's incredibly silent, gives great traction on dry asphalt, and is definitely worth its price tag. At number 2, it's the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3+. Michelin has always provided good all-season tyres. Their high-performance all-season line has proved itself. However, their latest version, the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3+, is their best so far. The ultra-high-performance all-season tyre is designed with sport cars in mind, or better said, for drivers who like to have a little more fun on the road with better dry and wet traction, cornering power, and overall more grip for their thrilling rides. This tyre is produced with Helio Plus compound enhanced with large amounts of silica, which when combined with the aggressive and asymmetric tread shape that's based on their best-selling Pilot Supersport summer tyre, in turn provides increased all-season dry and wet traction and grip. The latest version of Michelin's Variable Contact Patch 3.0 technology significantly decreases heat distortion and intervenes with the tread pattern to increase cornering grip and responsiveness. If you're a driver that wants to push the machine to its limits, you'll most likely be overpleased with the handling prowess of the tyre. Their wet traction, acceleration and braking come from their usage of high amounts of silica in the compound of the tread, combined with variable thickness sipes and circumferential grooves. Michelin Pilot Sport AS3+ is also tested in dry and wet braking, accelerating and cornering scenarios. Compared to other tyres in its class, the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3+, as reported by professional testers, provides more responsiveness and felt more confident while taking sharp turns. Also, the braking distance from 60 to 0 miles per hour is significantly better than its competitors, with only 113.9 feet needed to stop the car. There's also a significant amount of increase in snow traction than its predecessor. This is thanks to the Helio Plus compound and the eccentric biting edges in the tread grooves, all helping to deliver 28% more traction in the snow than its older model, the Pilot Sport AS3. Definitely the undisputed champion in the all-season ultra-high performance tyre category, without a doubt. It does everything that's required from its category with excellence. It's really good to see that Michelin is making new models in accordance to the buyer feedback, which adds trust to the customer base. It may not be the most comfortable tyre, but it's not made for comfort, it's made for thrill and high performance. Highly recommended for spirited drivers. And at number 1, it's the Pirelli P0. More experienced drivers always say your car is as good as its tyres, and it's definitely true. The Italian tyre manufacturer 30 years ago introduced its P0 lineup, and since then it's been the company's performance flagship. The name has not changed from then, going with the "if it's not broken, don't change it" idea, and it served them well. Today the P0 series is recognised by every car enthusiast. On the new improved P0, Pirelli has implemented a lot more from their Formula One experience to add more stability to its tyres. Pirelli has stated that the new P0 has more linear, predictable behaviour due to its even distribution of force during more aggressive driving. The driver can now push its car with selective compound and bead arrangement, both combining for better communication through the steering wheel. Another improvement to the newer model is the tyre longevity, which the older models seem to get destroyed pretty easily. The focus has been added to be more even tyre wear by the engineers with something referred to as extended range profile. This means that the brand new Pirelli P0s will last longer than ever. Pirelli has also added more surface grooves and deeper, wider channels for wet weather performance and to reduce the risk of hydroplaning. This simply translates into better braking in wet asphalt. The new tread design is built with Pirelli's noise-cancelling system, providing reduced camber noise, which would otherwise be a nightmare for a luxury car. The weight reduction, 15% drop in rolling resistance and high amounts of silica all help the fuel economy. The Pirelli P0 has been track tested and proved. Experienced drivers have tested the tyres and have shared their experiences. All have said that the new P0s provide a really short braking distance, allowing to brake deeper into turns, and in the chicanes it has provided a lot of grip and not lost traction, even with early or late apexes. Cars are being reported to understeer or oversteer depending on their natures, but Pirelli have done an amazing job of not sliding. High-speed darting manoeuvre did not upset the traction even one bit. The main aim of Pirelli for the new P0 has been adding to the performance of the car with a piece of replacement equipment, a tyre, for example. Pirelli has always been considered royalty in the automotive industry, but with this product, they take the cake. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.